Hi, my name is Sheena Blair Montoparo Bamos, a licensed professional teacher from the Philippines. I have been teaching English for 9 years now. I have experience for both elementary and secondary. Currently, I am teaching at the Department of Education under the Alternative Learning System. I believe I am a resourceful and creative teacher. That is why during my first year of teaching in St. Mary's Academy of Capiz, wherein I experienced an observation from my principal, wherein he said that I mispronounced the words during my class. I accepted it as a challenge. I enrolled myself in a master's degree program wherein I graduated in Master of Arts in Teaching English, and also, I also have 48 units in Doctor of Education in Educational Leadership. English is a platform for creative expressions. That is why I encourage my students to explore their imaginations and creativity by means of writing, analysis, and interpretation of literary works. I believe that nurturing creativity will help students find their own voice and their sense of self. And I also believe in the transformative power of literature that cultivate the critical thinking of the students. My approach in teaching involves guiding students to analyze texts, questions assumptions, and explore different perspectives. Critical literacy extends beyond comprehension. It encourages students to be more a discerning reader who are engaged in the world thoughtfully. As a highly motivated individual, this once in a lifetime opportunity to be able to be a part of a cultural exchange program is an invaluable opportunity for me to learn and develop and enhance my way of teaching. And I'm very much excited to whatever will come my way, and I will humbly accept it wholeheartedly. And thank you so much for this opportunity.